Red light therapy, or low-level light therapy, has become a promising new solution for hair growth. But does it really work? In this video, I'm going to discuss the quick science behind red light therapy and then share my 150-day experience with the iRestore Elite Red Light Hair device. Red light therapy is a non-invasive treatment that uses lasers or LEDs in the red to near infrared light wavelength range to stimulate hair growth. The red light penetrates the scalp and is absorbed by cells and mitochondria in the hair follicles. This light energy is thought to improve blood flow, increase oxygen, and stimulate cell proliferation, resulting in thicker, healthier hair. Studies have found that the most effective wavelengths for hair growth are between 630 and 670 nanometers, which to us is what appears as red light. The use of red light therapy for hair regrowth is also approved by the FDA in medical devices, so treatment is safe as well. In fact, the scientific literature is quite strong in supporting the effectiveness of red light therapy. A 2021 review identified 15 studies that showed that red light therapy stimulated hair growth, with large randomized experiments demonstrating statistically significant increases in hair counts in both men and women. The same review also summarizes the prevailing mechanism of action. It's theorized that red light interacts with the mitochondria in our cells, oxygenating the mitochondria, which then boosts the production of ATP, generating the power for greater cell division. Another study in 2021 helped support prior literature when researchers examined the RNA of hair follicles exposed to red light and concluded that red light treatments had increased the expression of genes that would prevent white blood cells from inducing inflammatory responses in hair follicles, leading to anti-inflammation and prolonging the anagen or growing phase of the hair cycle. Finally, a recent 2023 study of 50 participants found that low-level light therapy led to statistically significant increases in both hair density as well as hair diameter at both week 12 and week 24 treatment. So if the scientific evidence is so strong on the benefits of red light, how effective are the red light therapy hats that are on the market? I recently got the iRestore Elite, which is the most premium hair regrowth device that iRestore, maker of these red light therapy devices, has. This device costs around $2,000, but given how important hair is in confidence and maintaining your looks, I thought it was worth it to try it out. Although this hair device is definitely on the more expensive side, most of these hair care devices will typically run you several $100s for one of decent quality. iRestore itself claims that most users will take 3 to 6 months to see initial results due to the several month-long nature of the hair regrowth cycle, with visible and noticeable results after 6 and 12 months. So red light therapy is certainly a long-term and not short-term solution. On the screen, I have images I took with wetted hair across several months of using the iRestore. During this time, I use the iRestore Elite every day for at least a 12-minute treatment cycle, sometimes for multiple treatment cycles as well. Unfortunately, the angles and length of hair aren't consistent, but you can still get a sense of hair density from the scalp. Disclaimer for the final 2 months is that I also added oral minoxidil and dutasteride to my hair care routine, but the effects of those shouldn't be too pronounced at this point. From my subjective experience, I want to say that I haven't honestly seen a huge difference on my hair density or thickness yet. According to the site, even at 150 days, I'm still early in the process and progress might not be apparent yet. Still, I'm very confident in the medical soundness of red light therapy and will continue incorporating it into my hair care routine. The evidence is simply too robust and there's no downside other than spending the time to wear the cap and of course the money. In terms of both effectiveness of result and cost, minoxidil, finasteride, and dutasteride are all better, but red light therapy does have the benefit of being the safest and least invasive of all these treatments, comparable to nutritional hair supplements like biotin or saw palmetto. It also acts through a different mechanism of action than minoxidil and finasteride, so they're not going to overlap or be redundant if you use all of these products. So that's my quick summary of the science behind red light therapy and my experience with the iRestore Elite for 150 days. If you want to learn more about the use of red light therapy for healthier skin, check out my video in the description below about my experience with the Omnilux Men face mask.